Well, after Delhi, Mumbai and Ahmedabad, now it is Bengaluru's Kempegowda International Airport that has also terminated its ground handling contract with the Turkish from Celebi Aviation. Now, this move comes in the wake of Centre's revoking its security clearance over national interest concerns. Authorities say they will now take as far as the operations over, and all Celebi staff will be retained under existing terms to ensure that there is seamless service. Nilesh is with us. Nilesh, good afternoon. That's the importance as far as when it comes to the Indian staff that was working in Celebi Aviation to be absorbed so that there is seamless service. But as far as multiple airports, it was operational at least 9 airports across the country. Multiple airports have already decided to terminate their agreement.
Well, Samita, good afternoon to you as well. Yes, it is the boycott process that is only intensifying, and the Celebi is happening to be the fresh brand which is currently being targeted by Indians, and this comes as a befitting reply that every Indian is currently standing against the Turkish government, stating that how if you do not stand with us, we do not stand with you as well. Now, this is becoming big with every passing day. At first, we saw that how tourist departments were starting the boycott. Later on, Bollywood industry followed up, and now the aviation industry is also backing the move, that is boycotting Turkish government. And Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi are the hub hotspot for civil aviation, and we have been seeing that how lakhs of flight and millions of passengers regularly travel through these international airports, and this is a big damage given out to Celebi, which has been handling aviation industry for past 15 years here in India. It is a big network of civil aviation which manages airport across 3 continents and around 6 countries. So that is a massive number, and for the past 15 years it has been getting benefits from India and has been earning nearly.
Well, citing national security concerns as far as when it comes to the aviation watchdog that has now revoked the license of Celebi Aviation. Nilesh, thank you very much for the moment. As